Are you in search of that perfect, smooth, shiny, clean skin? Well, I'm gonna show you how to get it with our skin exfoliating spray. Now, personally, I have mine in my shower. It just makes it easier. But what we're gonna do first is we're gonna shake it really good to get that formula nice and mixed up. We're gonna click it from close to open. Once we have it open, we're just gonna spray everything down. I like to do my whole body, but we're just gonna focus on our hands and arms right now. Once we've sprayed it on, this is a Korean formula and I love it. And what it does is you'll see the product starts to ball up. And with it, it's grabbing all of that dead skin cells, which is so gross, but so satisfying. And it doesn't have any of those harsh scrubs that you feel like you're scratching your skin with. It's very light. The smell you can smell because it has a lot of citrus acids in it and things like that that is exfoliating the skin. And it has a nice light scent of that, but no artificial fragrance. And as you can see, it just keeps balling up. And this is exactly why I like to do it in the shower. And you can see all that dirt and dead skin cells that are coming off with that balls of product. It's oddly satisfying and disgusting. After I do my arms and hands, I move on to my legs and feet. I actually use this all over my body, and I do this about every other day or once a week, whatever you prefer. But it's in the shower, get in the shower, just spray down before you turn the water on. If I'm doing my feet, I'm gonna spray it all over my feet, onto my legs, and do the same thing. Rub it in until you see all that dead skin come off. After I get out of the shower and I'm nice and dry, I like to go ahead and put some cuticle oil on my toes and my nails. And again, the exfoliating spray is a very soft formula, hydrates also. We just really want to add that nourishment and turn the hands of time backwards and get our skin just to look so soft and shiny. Again, once I've done my hands and my arms, I'm going to move on to my legs and feet. My hands and my arms feel so soft right now. I would challenge any baby to a skin softness challenge anytime right now. So get your hands and your feet nourished, hydrated. They will thank you later for it.